Candy. Welcome back to my kitchen. So tonight I'm going to make some beef enchiladas. How did I forget that? Like, really? I have 2 pounds of grass-fed 93.7. Yeah, 93.7 ground beef that I got straight from the butcher. I've got an onion, bell peppers, and then I have these low-carb flour tortillas that I got from De Gusta Box, and they're by LaTortilla factory. I've had these before. And then there's going to be some cheese and some enchilada sauce. But first, we're going to get the vegetables going. Alright, so I'm only going to use half an onion. I'm going to cut it straight in half. I want this in a fairly small dice. There we go. It's a pretty good dice there. Okay, I'm going to take do one to begin with. I'm going to do the yellow pepper to begin with. Alright, I'm going to do the yellow pepper to begin with. Again, I want a fairly small dice on this. Alright, I think that's good. I'm going to go ahead and start browning the beef, and then we'll add the veggies. Because the beef is so lean, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil first. Get it started. I love having this pour spout on my olive oil. It works amazing. Okay, so I've got my beef almost done. If you hear noise in the background, my ice machine is going. There's a little bit of smoke on the thing there. I'm going to add in my onions and my peppers. I'm going to go ahead and kind of mix this around a little bit, get these incorporated all together. And then I'm going to add a can of diced green chilies and some of this red enchilada sauce. Okay, so to season the meat, I used Johnny's. Let me just show you. Okay, so I used cumin, Johnny's, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. So that's what I chose to put in my beef when I did it. You can see it's ready. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit so that I can handle it without like burning my hand off. And then over here you can see I shredded my own cheese. So I will start putting this together when that cools down. Okay, so everything up to this point could have been done in advance. You could have bought or shredded your cheese already. You could have made your filling already. You know, now it's just about assembling. Again, I have these low-carb LaTortilla factory tortillas, right? They're really pliable. So I'm going to take some of the cheese. Let's put a little bit. Let me put you guys over here a little bit more. So I'm just going to put a little bit of cheese. And then a scoop of the filling. Alright, so about that much. Then I'm just going to roll it once and set it down. These don't need to be rolled super tight. A little bit of cheese. Scoop of the filling. Roll it, seam down. There, let you guys watch me finish. Alright. I have a little bit of extra filling. I'm just gonna put it along the side. Alright. Now to finish this off, I'm gonna take the remaining enchilada sauce, pour it over the top. I'm going to cover as much as you can. There we go. And then sprinkle the remaining cheese. Alright, these are only going to cook for about 20 minutes. So let's stick them in a 400-degree oven and then we'll come back. Alright guys, here's the enchiladas. You can see they're still bubbling a little bit. They smell so good. So basically the purpose of them going in the oven was just to kind of crisp up a little bit here, soften the tortillas, and melt the cheese. Let me get in here. Woo! That's so cheesy. Alright, we're gonna go in my bedroom because that's where I'm gonna edit this video and eat this. I want to let it cool down a little, but oh, so good. Okay, so I'm in my room. Lighting's not great, but let's get some. Yum. It's really good. The vegetables, I didn't cook them too long, so they still have a nice crunch. I really like that enchilada sauce. It's just a store-bought one. No big deal. Okay, so this should serve about 4 adults. It's low in carbs. There is a little bit of carbs in the enchilada sauce, a little in the onion, and there's more in these wraps, but they are, I forgot to look, I think they're only 15 or 18 net carbs per tortilla. So it's not terrible. A regular tortilla is, I think, 50 or 60 grams of carbs. So I'm gonna have that for 4 meals for the rest of the week. Well, 1 now and 3 more. And yeah, if you guys have like anything you want me to try to cook or, you know, test out, I watched this video on Facebook the other day, and it was like hacks or something for, one of them was like an almost empty peanut butter jar, and then there was an almost empty jelly jar, and they like made these recipes with them. I'm like, guarantee those did not work like that. So I might try that. I don't know. You guys let me know down below if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me and making dinner, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye!